We had a bit of a scare when our pop-up canopy tried to take flight during a storm, and after that incident, we decided to invest in these spiral ground anchors, and ever since then, we haven't had any issues. And if you live in a windy area like we do, these things are a definite game changer, and it's crazy how much more effective these are than regular stakes. Right now, we're gearing up to stake everything down in our new backyard, and as you can see, we use these for everything, from volleyball nets, our trampoline, barbecue, and of course the canopy. Oh, and they're also great for camping too. Now, this one right here, it's been in the ground for quite a few years, and as you can see, it does have a few spots of rust, but it's pretty minimal for the amount of time it's been outside. And it's holding up pretty nicely. Now, to use them, all you have to do is screw them into the ground using this piece right here. Now, it's not super easy, especially if your ground is really hard like ours, but once you get it in, it looks pretty good. Now, I chose the green so it'd blend in and it wouldn't be very noticeable, but they also come in bright colors to avoid tripping hazards, which is a pretty good idea because these things definitely hurt when you stub your toe on them. Oh, and by the way, the brand is 7pin. You'll find an affiliate link in the description. And if you're looking for another game changer, definitely check out this video right here.